Hello, I'm Ray, the Ray in the Ray code. In this video, I will cover the builder design pattern and I'll be using C++. I have put timestamps in the margin so you may navigate to the section you desire most. My favorite is SWOT analysis. I use other programming languages to cover this same design pattern, as also I have used this programming language to cover the rest of the design patterns that were published by the Game 4. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. You can find me on all my social media platforms. Please search them out and become the Ray Code groupie. Also, share this video with others. Here are some reasons why a C++ programmer would benefit from learning and studying the builder design pattern. Object creation helps simplify complex object creation, improving code readability and maintainability in C++. Code reusability encourages code reuse by separating the construction process from the representation of objects. Flexible configurations provides flexibility in configuring objects by enabling incremental and customizable construction steps. Improved testing enhances unit testing by allowing the construction of objects in controlled and specific ways. Design consistency promotes consistency in object creation patterns across multiple C++ applications and projects. Enhanced encapsulation encapsulates complex creation logic, reducing coupling between different parts of the application. Better scalability facilitates scalability by allowing the addition of new object types without modifying client code. UML Builder specifies an abstract interface for creating parts of a product object. Concrete Builder constructs and assembles parts of the product by implementing the builder interface, defines and keeps track of the representations it creates, provides an interface for retrieving the product. Director constructs an object using the builder interface. Product represents a complex object under construction. Concrete Builder builds the product internal representation and defines the process by which it is assembled. Includes classes, including interfaces that define the constituent parts into the final result. I hope you're enjoying this video. Be sure to like and comment. If you have an improvement I could use, just let me know. Hello, I'm Ray, the Ray of the Ray code. In this video, I plan to review the design pattern called Builder. The Builder design pattern is a Creational Design Pattern. The Builder pattern separates object construction from its representation by allowing step-by-step creation of complex objects with consistent and customizable results. We start with the product.h file. The product is made of complex objects that are built step by step. At the top, we include string and vector. We will use string vectors to represent the complex object being built. We add the parts with an addPart method, and we show all the parts we are adding. Let's create the CPP side of this class. We include product and IO stream at the top. The parts are pushed onto a stack, and we show the parts with a for loop, and we end our result with a new line. Next, we create a builder class. We will include product.h at the top. Let's create our builder class structure. We have a virtual void build part A. We add another virtual method to build part B, and we get result. And we have some cleanup. Next, we look at the CPP side of this class. We declare the class structure for the concrete builder, and we add the builder at the top. So we extend this class with it. We have a private product, and publicly we have the concrete builder, and we add some cleanup. We override build part A, and we override build part B, and we get a result. Now let's create the CPP side. We include concrete builder.h at the top, and we have the concrete builder return a new product, and we add cleanup for our method. And we add part A and we add part B, and we return our results. Let's create the director class. We include the builder.h file at the top, and we have the director class, and it has a public constructor. And for the director.cpp side, we include the .h file at the top, and we have the construct method, which takes a builder object and returns an object of type director, build part A and build part B. The director controls the order of the building steps. Next, we go to the main method to do our demo. We include the director and the concrete builder at the top. We set up our director and our concrete builder. We have the construct method of our director, of which the builder is passed in, and we set the product to get the result of our builder. We do some cleanup and run. We compile and get product part A and product part B. My name is Ray. Keep coding. SWOT analysis of the builder design pattern in C++. S. Strength. Flexibility simplifies object construction by allowing the same code to create very complex representations. Encapsulation centralizes construction logic, minimizing changes in client code and reducing duplication in C++. Readability. Improves code readability by breaking down object creation into manageable sequential steps. W. Weakness. Complexity. Introduces additional classes and methods, increasing system complexity and potential maintenance overhead. Overhead. Requires extra effort to design and implement for simple, straightforward objects in C++. Dependencies. Builder depends heavily on directed class, making refactoring more challenging in large systems. O. Opportunities. Reusable code promotes reusable and scalable code patterns essential for large projects using C++ development. Adaptability easily integrates with object requirements, reducing rework when business needs evolve. Industry adoption. Aligned with best practices, it prepares students for real-world software design in C++. T. Threats. Misuse. Risk. Overuse of the pattern in inappropriate scenarios can lead to unnecessary complexity in C++. Learning curve requires understanding the OOP principles and patterns, posing challenges to junior developers. Runtime costs may introduce runtime overhead if improperly optimized for performance-critical applications in C++. Well, that was my video. Please give this video a like. I worked hard to create it. Leave a comment, and if you find me on the social media platforms, leave a comment there. Tell a friend the Ray Code is awesome.